Hi everyone, so in today's video we'll be working on a BMW Z4. I'm going to show you how to pull the rear bumper off of your car so you can do any cosmetic work or repair that you need to do. Let's get started. I'll start by taking the tires off. This will give me access into the wheel well and make the job considerably easier. I'm first going to tackle the bolts on the bottom side of the bumper. We have 4 over here and then a couple on the other side. I will be disconnecting the wheel liner from the bumper. For demonstration purposes, I'm going to pull the entire liner out. These next 3 fasteners are actually push pins. I'm going to have to use a tool like this and maybe cheat a little bit and use some scissors. For those that don't know, this little pin pushes into the retainer and then expands these to hold the plastic on. Now the bumper and the liner are no longer connected, and you can reach underneath here and start pulling the bumper off. Like I said before, I'm going to pull the entire liner out so you guys can see a little bit better and see the pigtails that we need to disconnect back here. Looking toward the bumper side here, we have a marker light on the back side here, and there's a little pigtail that needs to be disconnected. As I begin pulling the bumper off its mounts here, I'm going to reach inside and disconnect that pigtail. There we go. Now lastly, when I go to pull the bumper off, there's going to be 2 pigtails for these rear license plate lights. Just keep that in mind so when you pull the bumper, you don't end up pulling those wire harnesses and damaging the connector. And there you have it. The rear bumper is off. Now you can service the vehicle as needed. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one.